Here's our new house, 745 Lenox. We just bought it, and literally this is us first walking through it because they didn't allow us in. We kind of peeked in the windows and saw it, and we were very, very pleasantly surprised because it is very nice. Needs a little bit of cleaning, but I mean, shoot, it's got granite countertops. Kitchen cabinets are a little dated and a little weird, whatever, mosaic thing. So the kitchen could use a little bit of updating and maybe some paint. The doors are old and dated. This house was built in the late 70s, so everything's, maybe not everything's from the 70s, but it's a pretty big house. So just a little closet here, but then nice large bathroom, which then you could have a door here. It's supposed to have a door here. Oh, it's a sliding door. It's a pocket door. I didn't even see that. So you could lock that, but then it could go into the master, which is a pretty large room. And honestly, like the only thing that's like here is like TV mounts and stuff that poked holes in the walls. But for the most part, this place is in pretty great shape. So then there's two more bedrooms here, which are good size. It's the third one. And then the awesome thing, another awesome thing, actually, before I go downstairs. So this has a really nice screened in deck, and then a little hot tub room up there, and then a big shop. And then going down in the basement, or the second story, better yet. This was not counted as square footage. The bank didn't even know this existed, but this whole thing is finished and heated. So this is all square footage that we will get on our appraisal that they didn't even know existed. And then another full-size bathroom down here. And then laundry room with washer and dryer. And then another huge living room with a closet and another utility laundry room with hot water heater, some storage, and then the furnace. This room is huge. None of this they knew was down here on the square footage. And honestly, outside of painting and some cleaning, that's about it. This is the neighborhood. Nice, quiet homeowners neighborhood. Big, nice houses. Then you go up here to this metal shop, which basically just needs painted. Looks like they had a fire. But huge shop. Which a little bit of cleaning will make nice. But then the backyard, so there's a little hot tub room, which we're thinking about just taking this whole building and bringing home for our hot tub. And the hot tub actually looks unused. I don't have any idea what kind of condition it is. Probably bad. Most old hot tubs are. There was a little pond down here that got overgrown, but we cleaned that out and it's all concreted and finished. Then here's this little screened in patio. And then another huge deck that kind of overlooks this viewpoint, which when it's not cloudy, you can actually see the mountains. So this is our blind purchase. We truly haven't walked this house except for right now. This is our very first sight on what this house is. And I couldn't be happier. Looks like their heating system is almost brand new also. So we got a winner.